So you bought an RTR and discovered it is in fact ready to rip. But this is such a proper dirt bike that it doesn't even come with a headlight, just like its doppelganger. But I need one for night riding. So I got one. This ENC headlight kit comes with everything you need to install it on the bike and runs off the bike's battery, so you don't have to worry about recharging it. The kit comes with a plate to mount the DC inverter, a mount for the headlight to go on the bars, and even a mount for the toolkit to still store it under the seat. Naturally, it also comes with a DC inverter kit, the headlight itself, and all the necessary hardware. Thank God it also comes with these instructions. All right, so first up, we're gonna grab our handy dandy ENC toolkit, take off the crossbar, then we're gonna take off the screen and remove the stock housing. We're gonna throw on the new housing, and then we're gonna take out the battery, turn the key on, turn it back off just to make sure there's no voltage left over, take off that front cover. We're gonna take the new headlight and we're gonna thread it through. We're gonna thread it along with the stock wiring just so it looks super clean.
All right, just popped off this side cover so we can thread that headlight wire through, and now it's through the bike.
Next up, we're just installing the headlight switch on the bars. Mine was a little wonky, but yours should be fine. Headlight switch is now mounted. Don't be like me. You're gonna mount this in the same place as the headlight, so I'm gonna have to take this off again and route it through, but do that at the same time as the headlight. Next up, we're gonna loosely mount the headlight with this applied hardware. It's just 2 bolts per side. We'll get it loosely installed, then put on the front number plate, because we're all buttoned up front. From there, I'm gonna take out the 3D printed cubby that I installed a couple videos ago, so we can fit the new converter. Quick read of the instructions, then we're taking off the rear mud flap and guard. It all comes off as one piece. We're then taking the new mount supplied and mounting it up with the 4 provided bolts and hardware. After which, we're gonna mount the toolkit holder as well as the DC converter. You'll use 2 bolts provided for each of these. You really can't mess it up. If I can do it, you certainly can do it yourself. But just make sure to mount the DC converter with the wires going down.
All right, guys, you just gotta give this cover a little bit of a pull from the top and it should come right down. This exposes the controller where we can wire in all the necessary connectors.
Quick disclaimer, this is an older kit, so the newer kit, you shouldn't even have to mount this to the controller. It'll just plug right in.
We're just loosening the positive and the negative, so red to red on the left.
Yeah, none of this matters if you buy the new kit now. All right, guys, so on the older version, these are now connected into here. So we're going to connect this long cable into this, and then we'll get this all connected and we should be able to test the headlight. Okay, guys, so we have everything connected up here, the cover for the controller back on. Now we're just gonna bring all the wires, we're gonna stick them through these plastics here so it's cleaned up. And we're just gonna wrap these up, get them zip tied here so they can be essentially covered under the right side plastics. We'll clean this up and then we should be able to put in the battery and test it. Zip ties are so good, I think they could even save a failing marriage. And we're popping the side covers on just to conceal my little rat's nest. All right, guys, it is finally done. This took way longer than it should have, as things always do with me. So let me show you how it looks. So here you have it. Looks super clean, super factory. We have the display rerouted to here. Headlights on here, just tighten it up with these. And everything runs through the bike. The connectors all go through the side covers. Everything is nice and neatly tucked up under those plastics. If I wanted to add any other additional 12-volt accessories like chargers or underglow or anything like that, I could just plug it right into the USB ports. Again, here's another look. We just have everything zip tied, cleaned up under here. And this right here is where the toolkit will go. We'll use this applied Velcro strap and just strap that in there. And there you have it, toolkit mounted in the bike. I have a bunch of extra tools in this bag because I always want to have them with me when I'm out on the bike. But yours probably will be a little bit smaller if you just have the stock toolkit in here, but all mounts up under there, so I'm still able to use this little storage under here to carry the toolkit. Don't have to put it in the bar bag that I usually keep on the bike, but now it's good. You just click this on. So here she is, headlight on. This will be super good to ride at night with. But again, here she is in all of her beauty. I just love that it looks so factory. I love that this is like actual CNC'd metal. Just comes together so nicely. We will do a night ride motovlog on this thing soon, but otherwise, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. P and I will catch you next time. Peace.